Okay, here is an update on this 400 niche build. Got everything put together. Everything run good for, I don't know, 45 minutes or so. Got ready to head up to West Virginia, double check, and I ended up bending a valve. Now that has nothing to do with the big bore kit. That was all on me. I didn't adjust the valves the way I should have, and I had this exhaust one too tight because I got the stage 2 cam in there, and I ended up, I think I bent one. So we're going to pull it apart, see what it looks like, and put a new one in. So, get that screen back. Alright, so I stopped doing these videos because the audio sucked. So Black Friday I went and got a new GoPro Hero5 Black. Didn't go with the 7. It was this one on sale at Costco for $189, something like that. So I'm back in business. I didn't need all the extra bells and whistles for the 7 or whatever the newest one is. So hopefully this will be better. You can hear, you can see better. It works like your phone with an app. It's pretty cool. I like it quite a bit. So other projects, we got a little steel HS 450 hedge trimmer. Something recoils broke on that, I think. We'll get into that. And I dropped the ceiling in the shop and insulating. That's what I'm going to finish today. Save me some heat. And switched from the 8-foot fluorescent bulbs to these 4-foot LEDs. I got four 4-foot LEDs, give off more light, better light than 4 8-foot fluorescents. So I took those old ones to the landfill yesterday. Let's see, and then we picked up another little something to play with here in the fall. Let's see, where are you? We got us a Bobcat 864 track machine, which is about, well, it is the same as a T200. I believe it's a 99. So 99 or 2000, somewhere through there. But I'll do, I had to put a turbo in it. It had some minor issues, but she runs good. There's something, this track doesn't have as much power as that one, but there's a lot of slop in the play, in the handles. So I'll get to that. I'll do a separate video on this thing, but it's a pretty cool machine. Runs really well now. Went and got a 4-in-1 bucket for it. Came with a smooth bucket. Put a new cutting edge on it. Plowed snow with it over the weekend. That's what I didn't want to get into when we had to pack up.
This is day number 2 of a nice little snowstorm. We're out here trying to help as many people as we can. Here's the driveway that we gotta clear. Pretty slushy. John is about to go and see exactly what the people want. So we'll take a look at, we're gonna clear some of this roadway off for the people also.
all the neighbors got them, so I guess I had to get one too. So we get to the next, let's see, truck, that's not really a project. We got the Chaparral 1930 limited blah 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 that I've been screwing around with motors for like 3 years now. Rebuilt the outdrive, got that done. Yeah, she's dripping water, but that's fine. This is a whole separate, let's see if I can, covered, and yeah, there's well, this will be a separate. She got probably, oh boy, I don't even know, needs a good cleaning. A couple hours on the motor, if that, and it's smoking. So I don't know if it's not broken yet, or I don't know. That's a whole, whoa, that's a whole long story. So we'll get into that. But this is what we got going on. I'm gonna do the shop, get that finished today. Finally got some sunshine here in North Carolina, and once I tear down, I gotta get this place cleaned up too. It's a mess in here. So once we get this thing, look at this, this should be pretty simple. But now I got the new camera, I can tape it, and hopefully I got these Nerf bars for it. I've had this thing forever. These Nerf bars are new. Never even rode with them on it yet. Because of that damn valve. So, alright, I gotta get that trimmed out, get the rest of the insulation in here. Everything's sitting out, ready to go. So, alright, well, I'll be back as soon as I can. Thanks.